Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It's another segment again where I'm giving you guys a little bit update still on the payment of this Reddito di Magenta. You know, after the first video which I did few hours ago, many people come a pumping message for my WhatsApp asking questions about what of those ones who newly apply in the month of May, when they go start to receive this Reddito di Magenta. Now, as God may have it, IMS also updated as well the monthly payment for people when be like say una apply starting from the month of May. You understand? So I'll give una the article how IMS state. But don't be surprised, say those of una when be like say una apply starting from the first May, this month where we dey now like this for the extension, una go receive this Reddito di Magenta reach until August. You understand? Because una no go start with the people when first apply starting from the initial day when IMS published that the application of Reddito di Magenta will start and then end that of the April. So those ones when it be like say una apply for the extension date when start from May, then una go get information say una no go start to the receive una own Reddito di Magenta with these people when be like say they don't fair apply before. So I go give una the article here, more than for no go dey surprise if you apply in the month of May, so that you not going to complain say IMS not pay you while they pay others. They have made it clear how it's going to be. So those of you when apply in the late hour, una go still receive una money in the late hour. So without wasting time, let me give you guys the article without wasting time. Now listen to this particular article here so that una go understand how all this money go take arrive. For those of them like say una apply newly, and those ones will be like say una don't still first apply for the first place when it starts. You understand? I go put all the dates when IMS don't state. Say now all this money go start to arrive month by month, and I go see how they mention everything. Now listen attentively here. He said here, in the payment calendar of the IMS, we see the one relating to the emergency income. Pending the Sustainment Bills decree introducing an extension for a further 2 months of the REM. You understand? Like as Onate know, say they won't bring another decree again when go give another 2 months of Reddito di Magenta, which is still on the way, whereby the government have not yet still approved this law. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said here, pending the approval of the Sustainment Bills decree, we see the calendar of payments for emergency income, REM. You understand? Alright, he said here, for beneficiaries who have submitted the application by April 30th, monthly salary for March paid by IMS starting from 15 May 2021, which we reported this video already. Then, the second one, he said, monthly salary for April paid by IMS starting from 15 June 2021. You understand? Then the other one again, he said, May monthly payment paid by IMS starting from 15 July. So those of them like say una apply for the first time of this Reddito di Magenta on the 15th of tomorrow, una go receive. On the 15th of June, una go still receive the second one. While on the 15th of July, una go receive the third one. That is apart for those ones who apply initial time. Those of them like so una first apply for this Reddito di Magenta. Listen to this part carefully. For those of una wey be like say una apply for this Reddito di Magenta in the month of May. Listen when you are going to receive your Reddito di Magenta. He said here, for beneficiary who submit the application by May 31st, 2021, monthly salary for March paid by IMS from 15 June 2021. You understand? Meaning say, those of them start to apply for the Reddito di Magenta in the month of May, when they put the extension, the first payment of March will arrive on the 15th of June 2021. This is what IMS have stated. Now let's go for the second payment. He said, monthly salary for April paid by the IMS from 15 July. Then the second payment of the Reddito di Magenta for those ones who apply starting from May, the second payment will now come on the 15th of July. Understand? Now listen to the last one. He said, made monthly payment paid by IMS from 15 August. So the last payment of the 3 Reddito di Magenta for those ones who apply from the month of May, the last one, the IMS go pay on the 15th of August. This is what IMS have stated so far for those ones who apply in the month of May of this Reddito di Magenta. After the approval of these support bills, the beneficiary of the emergency income will be able to apply by 30th June. The first monthly salary will be paid to them from 15 July 2021, while the second from 15 August. Now, let me summarize this video here. Now, if they approve this Reddito di Emergenza of the new one of the 2 months, the first payment will arrive on the 15th of July, while the second payment go arrive on the 15th of August when they approve this law. So guys, stay tuned. I go to give now updates. Wanna still see how all these things stay the waka for the Reddito di Emergenza. So wetin me see for this issue will be say it is good to apply things on time. They said early to bed. You understand? Person will be like say it come fast. Now they fair they serve. Now for those of now apply for the month of May for the Reddito di Emergenza, and I don't see how the government takes states. So no complain say tomorrow you not receive the money for the Reddito di Emergenza. When you be like say you apply on the 1st of May or you apply on the 2nd of May. Now those ones when apply starting from the first date, now then go start to receive the Reddito di Emergenza. This is what the IMS have stated. So guys, mona still cross on a finger, pray to God, may they approve the second law so that they go still put on the measures how people go still waka go apply for the Reddito di Emergenza. I go still come here call update to now, still know how all these things still they be. This is why it is advisable. If you are watching like this, all you have to do for me is to share the video and then you make sure you subscribe, put on your notification bell. Anytime I drop my video, you go still see how it be. You understand? So that is just it. If you get any question, you feel still keep for the comment section while we still search on the IMS site to know what they are talking about your question. So that is just it, guys. Till next time again we'll be together. Make sure you subscribe to this platform, share the video, hit the like button. Till next time again. Ciao.